All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ford Transit. It is the T-250 long wheelbase short top with 30,000 miles, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, backup camera, super nice, and best of all, minimal damage around the body. Here's your front bumper. Looks pretty good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender does have some dents. It's been damaged here. Some dents here on this fender. Boom, 10 or more. There's your front passenger steel wheel. All right, let's check out your tire thread for this vehicle. Which is 5:30 seconds, it looks like. 5:30 seconds. This door looks good. This quarter does have some chippies. Boom. You see one there. It's been touched up, but they are there. Some chips over here. Boom. That's about it. Here's your rear driver's side rim. Steel wheel and tire thread is at 9:30 seconds. Got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Nope. All right, let's just give it a quick gander here. Your roof looks good. I don't see any problems there. All right. Let's jump into this vehicle. Obviously, we do need a check for that door. Does come with one key fob combo and owner's manual. Let's check out pictures for more details. And my 5 CD player obviously work, and you got your AC controls right down below. You got backup camera. Boom. Alright, this is what transfer cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for tire pressure. Your mileage of 30,778. Pretty much it. One key fob combo and owner's manuals. Keeping it moving. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Your doors look okay. You do have some dings. One here, a couple more. Another dent there. So we have a couple of dings. A dent there. Heavy scratch here. Alright. Of course, this is what your trunk space looks like. Pretty nice, pretty big and spacious. Your wheel wells look okay. They got 2 beat up. One of your doors looks like very nice. I don't see any problems here. See, it's a 250. This door looks good. This quarter, another chip there. A ding here from the inside out. A ding there from the inside out. Pretty much it. Here's your rear driver's steel wheel. Tire thread is at 9:30 seconds. So we do have a little dingy there. Heavy scratch. This is what your side cargo area looks like. Boom. Very nice. This door looks good. This other door looks good. And this fender, this door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger, front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. This door looks good. Front passenger steel wheel. Rear tire thread is at about 8:30 seconds. Lights are working, car is running, things are perfect. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Ford Transit T-250. Short top, long wheelbase with 30,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.